wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Gita Agustin and my partner.
My name is Raisa Sarah.
Today, my friend and I will make rendang fried noodles.
So, these are the term and material.
And the first, their noodles. And onion.
And water.
Then chili. And the materials, their
Spatula.
spoon, wok, and knife. Okay, first we chop the onions and chilies. Let's cut it into several pieces, guys. Okay, next we turn on the stove and add cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chilies and onion and salt, guys. Then break the egg and stir fry them together, guys. Then stir until evenly mixed and add the water that has been provided. Add the noodles and wait until the noodles cook a little. Once the noodles have shrunk a bit, add the spice and stir until evenly distributed.
Rendang noodles are ready to be served and eaten.